Ready to ditch those Brainly charges? Let's get your subscription canceled right now and save you some cash. First, head over to Brainly.com and make sure you're logged into the account with the active subscription. You'll see your profile icon, usually a picture or a default avatar, in the upper right corner of the screen. Click on that icon. A drop-down menu will appear. Look for Account Settings and give that a click. This will take you to the core settings area of your Brainly account. Once you're in Account Settings, you need to find the section related to your subscription or billing. It might be labeled as Subscription, Billing, or Brainly Plus. This could be on the left-hand menu or somewhere in the main area. Click on the relevant section. Inside the subscription or billing area, you should find a button or link to cancel subscription. It might be worded slightly differently, like Stop Subscription or End Membership. Click on that cancel button. Brainly will likely ask you to confirm your decision. This is just to make sure you didn't click the button accidentally. You might need to select a reason for canceling. Why you're out. Don't worry. You usually don't have to write a long explanation. Just choose the option that best fits and then confirm your cancellation. You should then see a confirmation message that your subscription has been canceled. It will probably also tell you when your access to Brainly Plus features will expire, and that's it. You've successfully canceled your Brainly subscription and won't be charged again.